BibleWorks offers two options for viewing more text in the Browse window. You can toggle the Analysis window off or stack the Browse window above the Analysis window. There is a Browse window shortcut to toggle the Analysis window off. Click within the Browse window and type the letter T on your keyboard. This will give you more area for reading if you wish, and you can click on the Toggle Browse Mode button to read a whole chapter or chapters of a book. To return to a display of the Analysis window, click within the Browse window and type T on your keyboard again. The status bar at the bottom of BibleWorks gives you access to several program features and also functions as buttons if you double-click them with your mouse. Double-click Analysis and it toggles the Analysis window off, or double-click it again and it toggles the Analysis window back on. To stack the Browse and Analysis windows, go to View on the main menu and choose Stack Analysis Browse Windows. Return to View and uncheck Stack Analysis Browse Windows to return back to this display.